Did you know we can describe time not just using numbers but also using special time words like quarter and half. Look at this clock. Here the time is 15 minutes past 3. But we can also read it as quarter past 3. Interesting, right? In this lesson, we will learn how to use the special time words like quarter and half to read time. Let's start with an important concept. 1 hour has 60 minutes. Now imagine dividing this 1 hour into 4 equal parts. Each part will have 60 divided by 4, which is 15 minutes. So quarter means 1 out of the 4 parts when something is divided into 4 equal parts. So here each part is called a quarter of an hour. So now we know a quarter hour means 15 minutes. When the minute hand reaches 3, it shows 15 minutes. A half hour means 30 minutes. When the minute hand reaches 6, it shows 30 minutes. And when it reaches 9, it shows 45 minutes. These positions will help us use the special time words. Now we will try to read some clocks using quarter and half. Here the hour hand is between 1 and 2. So the hour is 1 and the minute hand points to number 3. It means 15 minutes have passed. So if the hour is 1, the time becomes quarter past 1. Now let's look at this one. Here the hour hand is between 3 and 4. So the hour is 3. When the minute hand points to 6, it means 30 minutes have passed. So the time becomes half past 3. Now here the hour hand is between 1 and 2. It hasn't reached 2 yet. So the hour is still 1. The minute hand points to 9. It means 45 minutes have passed. So the time is 45 minutes past 1. But it also means that we are just 15 minutes away from 2. So instead of saying 45 minutes past 1, we say quarter to 2. Because we are very close to the hour 2 here, we use quarter to 2. Now you might ask, why don't we say half 2? In this clock, it's 30 minutes past 3. So we say half past 3 and not half to 4 because the time is still in the middle of the hour. We only start using 2 when we are closer to the next hour. Now let's read few clocks using quarter and half. Here the time is 15 minutes past 2. 15 minutes means quarter. So we say quarter past 2. Here the time is 30 minutes past 4. So we can say half past 4. Now here the time is 45 minutes past 6. But it's also 15 minutes to the hour 7. So we can say quarter to 7. Now when the time is given in quarter and half, we can convert them into minutes. Quarter past 3 means 15 minutes past 3. Half past 5 means 30 minutes past 5. Quarter to 8 means 45 minutes past 7. Something to remember here, when we are using 2, we always refer to the next hour. So when we are referring to 8, the hour is still 7. So we have to be careful here. Now let's quickly revise. Quarter past means 15 minutes after the hour. Half past means 30 minutes after the hour. Quarter to means 15 minutes before the next hour. Now you can read time in different ways and understand the clock even better.